Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Hugo Topics to understand what your customers are actually asking and how to use that data to improve your AI agent over time. If you are wondering how to understand what your AI agent is really handling and where you should focus your efforts to improve it, Topics is where you should start. They help you identify the most frequent requests, to spot gaps in your setup, and to continuously improve it over time. Just to give you a quick definition, topics are automatically detected labels applied to your conversations. You go analyze each conversation and match it to the topics you defined. So instead of manually tagging conversations, you get a clear view of what your users are asking at scale. Each topic represents a type of request or situation your customers might have. So now let me show you how to define a topic that actually works. To create a topic, go to AI Agent, then Automate, and click on Topic Detection. Here you can define your own topics based on the situations you want Hugo to detect. Let's take a simple example with billing issues. The key here is not just the name, it's the description. You want to clearly describe the situations Hugo should detect. For example, questions about invoices or payments, refund requests, issues with subscription or pricing. The more precise your description is, the better Hugo will detect the right conversations. So what happens once your topics are set? Hugo evaluates every conversation in real time. If a conversation matches one or multiple topics, it gets automatically tagged. And if multiple topics apply, the conversation can be classified as multi-topic. You can also automatically assign segments when a topic is detected. Segments are simple labels attached to conversations that help you organize, filter, route, or trigger automations inside Crisp. For example, if Hugo detects a setup topic, you could automatically assign a new user segment to the conversation. This segment becomes a reusable signal across Crisp. You can use it to filter conversations, route new users to the right team, trigger dedicated workflows, or send onboarding campaigns later on. So instead of only triggering one action, Hugo helps you classify the conversation in a way your whole setup support can reuse. Now, this is where topics become really powerful. They don't just organize conversations, they help you understand what your customers are actually asking the most. So how do you use that data? In Hugo Analytics, you can see which topics generate the most conversations. For example, here we can see that setup or billing are high-volume topics. And this is extremely useful because it tells you exactly where to focus your efforts. If a topic has high volume, it usually means one of three things: your users don't find the information easily, your knowledge base might be incomplete, or Hugo needs better training on that topic. Instead of guessing, you can improve your setup based on real data. You can also click on the topic to download the related conversations or filter your funnel view by this topic. This gives you access to real examples so you can understand exactly what users are asking and how Hugo is responding. For example, you can add or improve help articles, create better Q&A pairs, or upload more structured files. And if I can recommend you something here, you can create groups which are related to the topics you created. If you are not sure where to start, here are some common topic ideas you can use: setup and onboarding, billing and subscriptions, technical issues, feature requests, account management, or bugs and errors. And so now, what makes a good topic? Here is a simple template that you can follow. This structure helps you clearly understand what to detect and improves accuracy over time. A few quick tips: keep your topic names simple, be very specific in your descriptions, and focus on real user problems, not internal categories. To recap, using Hugo Topics comes down to 3 steps. First, define clear topics based on real user situations. Second, write precise descriptions so Hugo can detect them accurately. And third, use Hugo Analytics to identify high-volume topics, review real conversations, and improve your training data. And don't forget that the better your topics are defined, the easier it becomes to understand your customers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.